Oh, hello. It's so good to see you. I'm sorry, I just wanted to greet you as if you caught me off guard and I looked adorable. I knew you were coming. I knew you'd watch this because who doesn't love to watch someone try things that are pumpkin spice that maybe shouldn't be? Hi everyone, my name's Devin Taylor. I am the owner and baker of Sweet Notes Bakery. If you haven't been to my channel before, welcome, and if you have, welcome back. This is another video in my fall series called Fall in Love with Baking, but as I mentioned before, we're not baking today. We're just going to be taste testing. Now, this is a part 2, so if you've missed the first video where I tried, I believe 11 different products that were pumpkin spice, you got to go back and catch that one. I will link it at the end of this video as well. Well, we had an experience. So today I thought, let's experience 5 more things that are pumpkin spice and see what we think. All right, we are going to start today. I'm kind of excited, low-key excited about this one. We're gonna start with these campfire pumpkin spice marshmallows. In addition, for points, they are shaped like pumpkins, which is cute. And I think I have a cool idea of what to do with the ones left over, so, okay. They smell good. Here they are, squishy. All right, let's go. Initially, they taste like a marshmallow. Ooh, yeah, you get it a little bit at the end. It's not super strong. But I don't think you would want that in a marshmallow. They're actually pretty good. Like, I could see this making a good s'more. It's like a little bit of spice, but nothing too... We started with a nice mild one. I'm really glad I chose to start with this. Yeah. 1 out of 5. I give these a 4. Would I eat it again? Yeah. I'm gonna make some really fun hot chocolate bombs with these, I think. Okay, next. There's an Oreo for that. As if there weren't enough flavors of Oreo. We have pumpkin spice flavored cream in between their golden cookies. So, let's try these. Remember when I knew how to open a package? Okay, oh, they're cute. They smell like pumpkin, for sure. Okay, let's see. These are good. This is the most like pumpkin and pumpkin spice flavor out of, I think, anything I've tried. These are really good. You did it again, Oreos. All they're telling you on the back is that there are natural and artificial flavors. That includes cinnamon. But they're good. Get a pack of these. Okay. They're a 5 out of 5 for me. I'm not a huge Oreo person, but they're really good. Yeah, we'll eat that whole thing. So we're 2 for 2. This is really starting out well. We only have 3 more products. But I'm gonna go with the most controversial one next. You might be confused because you're thinking, that looks like cheese. Yeah, you're right, it is. This is pumpkin spice Gouda cheese. Limited edition. I can't imagine why. I love Gouda cheese. It's one of my favorites. I love cheese. It's my favorite food. So I needed to try this. So I started opening this. You need like the jaws of life to get into it. They really want to protect all that pumpkin spice. So once I get into it, I'll try it. We're in. Here is what it looks like. Lots of speckling. It smells like something. I'm not sure what. So I am just gonna take and cut a piece out of the middle. Man, I hope this doesn't ruin my favorite food for me. Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh God. Oh no. Nope. No. Nope. That's gonna be a no for me, dog. It starts off just tasting like cheese, like your first bite or two, and then I got hit with cinnamon, and then I got really hit with clove. You know what? A little piece will do you, because that's gonna stay with you. Hard pass. We're gonna put this way over here so I can't smell it. The smell was really an indicator. And that possible reaction is why I put it in the middle of things. Next, we are trying these pumpkin spice wafers. Baked with real pumpkin. That's exciting. Look at us moving up in the world. Do you tell me what the ingredients are? Pumpkin powder. I guess that's the real pumpkin. Spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Okay, so here they are. Crumbling all over. Let's go. Yeah, these are really good. Another like really nice subtle taste, but I do get all the spices, and I feel like you could put a lot of things between these crispy little wafers and I would be happy. So I didn't rate the cheese. Well, my facial expressions did, but -5 out of 5. And no, I won't eat this. I will, however, make my husband try it without telling him what I thought, and then we will throw it away. Okay, these 5 out of 5. Yep. Yeah, we'll eat these. This is really good though. These would be fun to bake with as well. This is a nice subtle flavor. If you want more pumpkin spice than that, then go with the Oreos. But yeah, excellent. The final product we're trying today are these Harvest Pumpkin Spice Cake Bites. I found these on Amazon. They look really good. I thought they just had like a pumpkin and a spice layer in it, but it's much more complicated than that. When I was looking at the packaging earlier, it tells you what every layer is. So I'm going to tell you what we've got going on from the top down. We start with a cinnamon streusel crumb, then a vanilla pumpkin cake, a pumpkin jelly, pumpkin cake, and a cinnamon spice cake, all in one bite. So let's try this out. The picture makes it look really good, so. And they come in these cute little packages. Ooh, I can smell it from here. Here they are. All those layers. Lots of cinnamon on top, so here we go. Cheers. I would say it's like, I just got the nutmeg. I would say it's like a dense pumpkin spice blondie. Don't quite have the crumb topping that they talk about. They're basically just layered with cinnamon. But I'd go 4 out of 5. And yeah, I'd eat these again. It is a lot of cinnamon and nutmeg on top, but it's good. And these would be easy to share with people because they're individually wrapped, so. Thank you for joining me as I tried more pumpkin spice things, good or bad. I had fun, and I found 4 out of 5 of them were pretty good, so I'm gonna take that as a win. Like I said, if you missed my first pumpkin spice video, you definitely need to check that out, and I'm gonna link that right here. If you like this content and you wanna see more of it, let me and the algorithm know and give this video a thumbs up. This is just part of a bigger fall series. I've got lots of stuff that I'm gonna be baking on it. Pumpkin rolls, we're gonna make gingerbread muffins. There's a lot to come and you're not gonna wanna miss out. So be sure you hit subscribe and the notification bell so it lets you know every time I upload new content, which is on Thursdays. Be sure to share this video with someone that you love, someone who loves pumpkin spice, someone who loves baking, or just on your Facebook page. If you want to follow me on other socials like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, those will be in the description below. As always, I wish you all a very sweet day.